They're not quite snapping yet. Just a kid with his toys, playing with the drone. I personally am not a fan of automatic trucks, but they've got their place. But good afternoon. So this afternoon we are heading out to check a field of soybeans, which I think we're getting very close to harvesting. They're a 2.3 maturity bean. So anyway, they're getting pretty close. We had some rain here the last couple days, which is kind of good. We needed some rain anyway. We needed, for the soil, we needed some rain to kind of even up the field a little bit. So we're gonna pull in the field here and check it out, and maybe get some drone footage of it and see what it looks like. So usually what you do is get some soybeans and put them in your mouth. So they're not quite snapping yet. A little bit gummy, probably from the rain that we've had the last couple days, but I do have to go back to General Mills tomorrow. Got a meeting I need to be at, and so this might work out. I can't help tomorrow, but after work I could. But anyway, I'm gonna get the drone out here and we'll fly over it and see what it looks like. It's amazing how tiny these drones are anymore. This is pre-flight inspection, like you do with the airplane. Okay, waiting for GPS.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Got some weeds down here. We got to get this figured out for next year. We've had some weeds showing up along edges. They're enlist beans. Not sure if we need to switch to dicamba or do something different, but we got to figure out why it was just on the edge. I don't know. Just a kid with his toys, playing with the drone. Even in our low spots, it looks like the leaves have completely fallen off. Check the west edge over by the fence. A quick and easy way of shutting it down. Now, the real reason we're out for a ride today, if we're really going to be honest with ourselves, we're heading into the big city. Next day, after checking those beans, and we're gonna get an auger set up to this bin up here, and we got one field of beans I think that are ready to go, but we need to check this bin out and make sure that everything's good to go. Looks like somebody's already been here. Close all the doors. I'll look in from the top just to verify. Sweep augers over the intermediate holes where it's supposed to be. Like this bin is ready to go. And a quick update, we got lots of cloud cover. The sun is trying to burn through, but I think we're gonna switch gears here and we're gonna maybe try corn this morning instead of beans. I don't think the beans are gonna go for quite a while today, so we'll do some corn and see if the dryer and everything's working good. Probably just take the end rows off the home farm here and see if everything's working right. So up on the bin, gotta get the lids open. We got the air system running just to make sure there's no water or debris in the lines. This line actually runs underground and it can collect water, but we didn't have hardly any rain this summer, so not a problem this year. So we just need to get the lid open and get the spreader hooked up. Did.
So we got this new computer system.
Corn auger coming back to the wet holding bin. Things have not been going according to plan. Yesterday we started corn at the home farm and got an inch of rain dumped on us. So we have moved to a different farm that didn't hardly get anything. And combine's running over there, so I'm gonna grab a truck and head over there. All right. Hopefully it'll start. Nope. See if the old Duramax can get her charged up. Well, that's going to take a while. All right, plans changed again. So Peterbilt would not start. So we've got the Volvo automatic day cab. She's running, so we'll get a load of corn hopefully. I personally am not a fan of automatic trucks, but they've got their place, but just have a hard time getting used to driving an automatic semi. I drove truck for about 20 years, hauling grain, chemicals, anhydrous ammonia, stuff like that, but driving an automatic, I guess, takes a little bit of getting used to. So as you can see from the sky, it is cloudy, got a lot of humidity in the air, and it is not conducive to doing beans, so we're trying corn here. Hello. Yeah. Okay, I wonder if he's talking about the one that's in the 225. We'll have to, I'm sure all the shape files are on that one. We'll probably have to bring it over to the combine and download it into that one, but I can give him a call. I'll be there shortly. Thanks, Pat. Bye. So anyway, yeah, this field of beans right on the left here is where we were going to be harvesting, but had some rain. Yesterday we had an inch of rain at the home farm. Not sure if I said anything about that yet or not, but had maybe a tenth over here, not much. So trying to do some corn over here. Beans definitely are not going to go. So we do have another chance of rain today. Goal is to get enough corn harvested to get the dryer running. Got a gas valve that's leaking, so that's being worked on right now. So typical start to harvest. We're just trying to get all the bugs worked out of everything, and it's just been kind of a slow, frustrating start. So tractor and wagons heading back to the farm, and so a lot of red equipment. There's some green stuff over here though, so we got a pretty even mix of equipment. We're getting some sprinkles on the window, so that's not good. Love these automatic tarps. Don't even have to get out of the truck, eh?